Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. So today I am going to attempt to make a rotisserie chicken. So we are going to try this. I've never done this before. I've only gotten this thing. I've just tried it out just a few times. But so far what I've made in it, I love. So excited. I was going through the cookbooks and I came across this rotisserie chicken one. So we are going to attempt to make it. I'm not going to follow the ingredients entirely. I'm going to use my own seasonings. But for the most part, I just wanted to make sure that I get it to the right temperature and baking time and all that stuff. So anyway, I have my chicken here and the ingredients that I'm going to use, and let's get busy. Okay, so what I ended up getting was this chicken right here. It's 3.78 pounds and it's fresh and natural, cage-free. So I think it recommends to try to find one under 4 pounds. So I thought that, yeah, I think this is going to be fine. I mean, it's close to 4 pounds. So, yeah, take it out of the bag. I'm going to go wash this off real quick and take out the insides. So I'll be right back with you in just a moment. Okay, we got our little guy out here all cleaned out and everything. And I patted him down with a towel. So it is time to go ahead and get busy. So I'm going to use some olive oil here. And just kind of put it on the top. Rub it all in on both sides. That way the seasonings will stick to it way better. And then I'm going to take, this is Suzy Q. Now I'm going to see if I can find a link to it. If you don't have it, I'm telling you, this is like an all-purpose seasoning. You have to get it. Everything that you would normally put on something is already done for you, and it's so good. I use this seasoning like literally for everything that I cook. From barbecue to you name it. I always use this seasoning. Okay, so now we're going to, with our clean hands, we're going to go ahead and start using our, what's this stuff called? Twine. So I got this one off of Amazon. It was $4.99 and it was, it's 500 feet. So it was funny because I went to my, my local grocery store and they had a little one there. It was 75 feet and it was $6.99. So it was actually more to get it, or $5.99. I'm sorry. This one was $4.99. So I saved $1 and I got like 5 times the amount. So I thought, hey, so all we're gonna do is just tie up its little legs and tie up its wings, and we're gonna keep everything, try to keep it all together into its body. And this one took me a little bit because I have never done this before. And not on a rotisserie anyway. I mean, I've of course, like, tied up many things, but not on a skewer before. So that kind of freaked me out. But there he is, looking so cute. He's ready to go in. So I think that's gonna work. And so yeah, we're just going to go ahead and take our skewer, and then it does have oh, hold on, time to wash hands. So I'm gonna take our skewer and we're gonna put it. I put mine in from the butt end first and then out through the neck, and then we're going to take our little attachment here that holds it in place. So it does have a side on it that is square, so you have to line that one up properly. I think you can see that there okay. And it has the little prongs that sticks right into it. So you put that in there, and yes, I did mess around with it a little bit. I think I had it upside down the first time. I realized it and turned it over. So just get those things lined up, and so you put it on the top end. It has a little screw, so you just twist that on there so it's nice and stable, and then you do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put this little guy in. So you're gonna take this end of it right here, not this end, because I was wondering why it wasn't working. It's this end, the blunt end, okay? Because I was playing around with the rotisserie part earlier and it wasn't working at all. So I was like, oh no, I got a defective one. Okay, I think it's in there now. Let me go wash my hands. Okay, now that he's in there, we'll just come up here and, okay, turn on the power. I'm going to turn it down to, let's see what does the directions say. The directions say to put it at 375 for 45 minutes. So we're going to put it at 375 for 45 minutes. And we're going to push the rotisserie. Oops, 45. Let's see inside of here. And it's twirling and doing its thing. That's what we want to see. So we're going to come back and check it out. I'm going to clean up my mess and wash my hands again. And we'll just kind of do a little tester with this. I have this little thing here, the thermometer, and we'll see how it is, how it's doing. We'll check it out in a couple minutes. Okay, we're down to the last 1 minute. Let's take a peek in there. It's still twirling like crazy. Super excited to see if it is done. It sure smells good in here. My goodness. I got my little station all cleared off. This is what you use to pull it out. You just take those little hook parts right there and you just lift it up and pull it out. So I'm excited to try it. Oh my goodness, hear the beep. It's done. Perfect timing. Let's check it out. Does it look done all the way to you? Let's take a look. Poke it here. Nope, it's not done yet. The booklet said to put it in for 45 minutes at 375. And it needs to be at 165 degrees internally. And nope, we're not quite there yet. So let's give it some more time. What would you say, about 10 minutes? Rotisserie, turn it down to, let's put it 12. Try there. Turn on the light. Make sure it still rotates. Okay. It's still moving. Okay, now let's check it out. It has to be done now. I'll try it from this side, in the thigh. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. Poke it there. And we want it to say 165. So that looks good. Finally, we get to take it out. Woo-hoo-hoo! So we have this little tool here. And it just goes underneath. And we just grab it. And, well, wiggle with it, I guess. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. So we're going to let this sit here and rest for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go make some sides. Look at this mess in here. Ooh wee, can't wait to clean that one up. Just kidding. This thing actually cleans up very easily. Okay, we're just gonna cut off all the strings and then, yeah, then we're gonna get to cut it up and check it out. Okay, so when you're cutting it up, which way do you start? I'm not, oh look, it's just like, look at it's like falling right off the bone. I think you take it off around here somewhere. And there's your wing. Look at that. And go to the other side. Ooh, it's hot. Then I think we want to figure out how to take off the breast, or the leg, I'm sorry. Oops, there's some string on this one still. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. There we go. Okay, the leg is already falling right off. Am I doing it right? Cutting too much into the guy, I think. Look at that. See? It's completely cooked all the way through. It's like falling apart. Okay, so this is my favorite part right here. And that's exactly what we want to see. See that? No pink, no nothing. It's literally dripping juices. My dogs are over here lapping it all up. Okay, here we go. It is the tasting time. I mean, look at that. It's like falling right off. So I just cooked up some cauliflower and broccoli and made some rice and chicken rice. But look at that. Oh my goodness. Boy. Let's get this one. It has a little bit of the seasoning on it. Look at that. It is really good. Oh yeah. We will definitely be making this one again. Gotta try out that rice. That rice looks so good. It's a pretty much healthy meal. There's one. So good. I'm telling you, falling in love with this thing like more and more every single day. I already cleaned it out. And I'm telling you, this was a total breeze. All I did was I pulled it out immediately, and I just took my sponge and just wiped everything down. I didn't even use any cleaner. No degreaser, no nothing. Nothing stuck to the bottom, see? And then I wiped down the door. And that was it. Man. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm telling you, you have got to get one. It's $100, $20 easy pay at QVC. This thing is amazing, and I cannot wait to try out the next thing. It's gonna probably be, I think I'm gonna make beef jerky for my dogs. I know that's kind of sounds weird, but my dogs like beef jerky, and you can do that in here too. So, but look at how delicious this meal is. I mean, oh my goodness. Look at that. So, and I have plenty of leftovers for, well gosh, what can I do? Maybe make a green enchilada casserole, or put some on a salad. I don't know. Possibilities are endless, but you guys, this chicken is so good. Way better than any that I've had. It's, you know what it is? It's the seasoning. This right here, this soooooo is so good. If you can get your hands on it, I'm telling you, you gotta try it. It has everything. Like, it has parsley, it has garlic salt, it has onion salt, it has pepper, it has parsley, it has like literally everything that you look for in a kitchen. It's right here in one little tub, and oh my gosh, so good. So highly recommend getting that if you can. If I can find it, a link for it, I'll definitely put it on my channel below. And then because I'm telling you, you can put it on anything at all. You can put it on your chicken, your ribs, your geez, I put it on my vegetables. I mean, I put it on literally everything because it has everything in it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And well, I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now. Stay safe, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye bye.